So this is the new POCO F7 in all its glory, and let's do some quick unboxing to see what's inside the box. But before that, I just want to tell you that this particular smartphone is the 7th iteration of the infamous POCO F Series lineup. The smartphones that started the revolutionary phrase flagship killing. And I'm proud to say that I still have the F1 with me. This is the first powerful smartphone that I own, and it still works like a boss horse without any problems. So obviously, I always have high expectations for every F series releases. Let's find out if this new smartphone lives up to the hype, shall we? So it comes in this POCO signature black and yellow box, and the unboxing experience seems like every other POCO smartphone out there. As soon as you open it, the first thing you'll notice is this neat packaging. It includes user manuals, warranty documents, and a small SIM ejector tool. And also, there's a case included for the smartphone inside the package. One thing I genuinely appreciate about POCO is that it lets you start using the device right out of the box. No stress about rushing to buy a screen protector or a case. Most of us, especially here in India, feel an immediate responsibility to protect our new device the moment we unbox them. It is almost like a ritual. Once it is done, we let it to protect itself. But with POCO, a lot of that worry is already taken care of. And for that, I sincerely thank POCO. It is giving us the peace of mind that we need. I haven't even got that when I bought this flagship device from Google. This case is more practical and usable than those old school transparent TPU cases. Moving past that, we get to see the phone itself neatly wrapped in this plastic cover. And right here, you get a quick glimpse of its key specifications. Once unwrapped, you'll be greeted with the phone itself. I got this black variant here, and it's a 512GB model with a whopping 16 gigs of RAM. As you can see, this phone features a striking dual tone finish with a mix of deep black and glossy black color. POCO has added these striking green color racing stripes on this camera grille, and it is certainly giving you a gaming phone vibe. It feels premium and solid with a sleek rectangular design and nice rounded corners. Overall, the design is impressive for its price tag. The most striking aspect of the smartphone are these stripes. It is giving you a signature appeal that can make the smartphone unique above its competitors. After the smartphone, you'll get to see the powerful 90-watt adapter along with Type-C cable at the bottom. So that's all you get in this smartphone unboxing. And frankly speaking, they are so much right now as many brands are ditching half of these accessories what was given in here. So I'll give you my full review after using it for at least a week. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tech reviews and unboxing videos.